So finally we have come to our Don Bosco Church, as this is one of the most beautiful churches in North Bengal, Siliguri, and every year you can take a look around, you can see the beautiful building blocks where all the nuns, especially the sisters, they live together in these unique and separate chapels. Okay, as you can see, the location is really awesome. Let me help you to take a glance on this side. Okay, Sumit, just yeah, this is amazing, sir, right? Okay, as you guys can see, the beautiful flowers, well decorated, and the two-storied building where all the sisters live together. They worship God, they pray for the humanity, they pray for the peace and prosperity for the mankind, and they are very, very good at heart, because every time when we just come here, at that time we meet the sisters, but unfortunately they are not today. Actually, the whole chapel is completely empty, but we have visited Jesus and we have seen him, and we are just heading towards the main chapel. Okay, that is the big one where I know the bishop, and he might be waiting for us for something very special, for example like cakes or some gifts. Every year we just get some gift. I'm just walking backward, but I can make it to the forward view, right, using my software. Wow, such a beautiful, can you see me now? Okay, this side.
Yes, sir. This side is so
So
bright.
Sumit, how are you feeling after coming here?
So, well,
Okay, so Palash, would you like to say something about the beauty and the speciality of the day of 25th December?
Yeah, that's really a great
Yeah,
thing.
they are watching you actually from there.
Exactly, that's really a great day, and this is 25th December,
Okay.
and
Take the
we're gonna
background with.
just-
Uh-huh.
and like so many people, they are saying 2020, this is the worst year
Yes.
No,
ever
no,
in
no.
our
This is the
life.
best year.
But we can say like yes, so many people, they are facing problems, but the
Okay.
thing is that if we come over here, we can we can feel the peaceful
Yes.
nature, peaceful
Absolutely right.
environment,
Absolutely
and
right.
our mind also will get peaceful.
Yes,
Okay,
absolutely
so
right.
by doing this kind of like and just after 5 days or 4 days, a new year.
Because God really blessed us. We did not waste our time visiting different places, because we know where God exists. And this is the best place, especially on 25th December, Don Bosco Church. This is the best place ever to have a great direct contact with the God, right? So
Yeah, before like I when I came previous year,
Okay.
I just used to think that why you always like exactly wherever you are, I don't know, but you call me and you just tell me, okay, come to this place.
yeah, it's
so
written.
what's the reason?
It's written over there. It's written.
Like it doesn't matter where you are. Like
Yeah, yeah.
if you are in Kolkata, still you just want to come out in this place. So
Let me
what's the
tell you-
reason behind this?
Let me tell you one thing. Since I knew this place, okay, I frequently visit this place, especially on this day, just because I have seen Jesus is very active, okay, and Jesus grants all the permissions. Jesus grants all the prayers and expectations, okay.
Yeah.
So that is the best place, and we love Jesus very much, and that's why Jesus is giving us opportunity to receive everything we want from him. And that is the main reason I just come here. And we don't know exactly whatever happens in the day. Sometimes Palash, he's one of my best students, and also Sumit this year. This is completely a new place for Sumit, right?
yes, sir.
Just because this is Abhijit also, who is holding the camera, our handsome cameraman. Okay, so I would like to know. See, they have not visited the main chapel yet. Actually, the main beauty lies inside, right?
Yeah.
So Sumit, tell me, up to this moment, actually, we are heading towards the main church just in a while. But up to this moment, what do you feel about the beauty inside? How are you feeling after coming to this church?
So I don't imagine that how is the beauty of the church
Going to
so-
be?
Yeah, going to be for this season. After seeing this, I can that
You
this
can
beauty-
feel it. You
Yes,
can feel its
I
beauty.
can feel it that this beauty is so awesome.
Yeah, and about the silence, see
Yes,
the silence inside,
sir.
it already makes us believe that God really lives here, right?
Yes.
Now we are going to the main church, main chapel, which is more beautiful than this one.
Also,
Okay.
sir, I am very excited to see the church.
Sure,
also,
sure.
main
Okay,
church.
let's have a walk around, walk through the main chapel. Okay, a lot of statues are there. Jesus is waiting for us. Okay, we're just coming back soon. And this is Don Bosco Church, as you can see. Here you can see the logo over here, Father Don Bosco. And it's a very beautiful auspicious day, and 25th December is the most waited day in our life, and every year we just come here, and I'll just let you know exactly what happens inside the compound. Okay, inside we're gonna get to the main chapel after some time. As you can take a glance on this. Come close, come close. Can you record me? Yes. Okay. This is the Christmas tree. As you guys can see the Christmas tree, some twinkling bulbs are hanging. Okay, let me take a glance on this front side. As you can see the little baby Jesus when he was born in Bethlehem, and he was put into a small manger maybe, right? Yes. There's the horse stable. By the way, so we're going to have a close look of all the idols. There are so many statues inside. We're gonna watch it. Okay, so let's do one thing. Take a glance of the background over there. Take a glance of the background. All the people. As you can see, it's a very beautiful place to be here, special on this auspicious day, 25th December, which is Jesus' birthday, right? Hold it properly and keep us within the frame. This is our. Oh my God. So.
Sir, video is recording also.
Yeah, I know. But I'm just losing.
What you wanna say?
I'm just losing my words actually. You know, losing my words after watching their fun. They cannot light the candle. See, Jesus has no. They need Jesus. Sorry, because of the wind. Okay, that's so. By the way, wish you Merry Christmas. We are within the frame, right? Hold it properly. Let them also be within the frame so that we can enjoy together. Let them be. Hey, holding like a statue like this. See. Okay, help me light up one candle, please. First, you do it. God created you so cute. Why? That's a big question, right? That's a secret.
Yeah.
God created.
He was in a good mood.
Yeah, always. Merry Christmas. It's a Merry Christmas, right? Merry Christmas, that means merriment should be compulsory, right?
Yeah.
If we do not have smile on our faces, that's not life at all.
Exactly.
No, we will die in laughing mode. Like laughing Buddha. Okay, let me help you to burn this candle. Okay, it's a very beautiful Christmas day. We are burning fire to the feet of Lord Jesus. Oh, she's not Jesus. Okay. She's just helping to light the candles over here. By the way, say everyone Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, we are in the dark place. You just capture the camera from this side. Don't put us in the dark place because we are so dark. No, only I am so dark. Okay. Wow, why? Okay. Merry Christmas. Come close. Come close. So please, you just say something on this special day. How are you feeling here?
We are feeling amazing actually.
Okay, especially for Jesus or for me?
For everyone.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, it's
For
a very
everyone,
special day.
yeah.
And how are you? Okay, so is it for the first time that you have visited
No,
this
we
church?
come here every year actually.
Every year.
Yeah.
Okay, God gives you the opportunity only once in a year.
Yeah.
That's great. And me also. We are also very
We
passionate.
come together actually every year. It's like continuous years we come together and we enjoy it together.
Okay, that's great. Huh? You're blessed by Jesus.
Yeah, actually.
Okay. By the way, what's your good name?
Pragya.
Pragya. You don't have bad name?
No.
By the way, and what's your name?
Diksha.
Bhiksha or Diksha?
Diksha.
Oh, I thought Viksha. By the way, Diksha. Okay, and what's your name?
Pooja.
Puja, that's great. You're doing puja, right? Okay, bye-bye. So enjoy the day and stay happy and healthy. Keep smiling until you die. By the way, so we had a great fun over here. Bye-bye.